Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller, Plano's Media Relations Director, and this is Plano City News, your local-only Plano newscast. We'll soon start an improvement project on Plano Parkway between Coit Road and Independence Parkway. This $16.1 million project will increase sewer capacity for current and future development needs in this area of Plano. There will be some lane closures, but one lane of traffic will always be open in both directions. Work hours are Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. The project is expected to be complete in spring of 2027. You can find updates on other road-related construction projects at plano.gov/road construction. 4 months ago, we told you about an issue we were having with the malfunction of a device that transmits hourly water usage. A contractor recently started replacing those units. Now, the water meters are working properly. The problem was with a gray box attached to the meter that uses a radio signal to electronically transmit meter readings. A company called Pedal Valves is replacing the units. Each job only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. All faulty units should be replaced with new ones by early 2026. There will be no disruption to your water service, and it will not affect your water bill. Mark your calendars for Wednesday, July 30th. That's when Plano ISD and the City of Plano will hold our annual Back to School Fair. Plano families in need will receive a box of food, haircut services, and health screenings and immunizations. School enrollment and registration will also be available on site. The event will take place at the Plano Event Center from 4 to 7 p.m. on July 30th. The Event Center is located at 2000 East Spring Creek Parkway. The annual All-American Fourth went off without a hitch and was deemed a big success. It started with the Rotary Clubs of Plano Parade. Featured in the parade was hometown hero Faizan Zaki, the 13-year-old student from Rice Middle School who recently won the 2025 Scripps National Spelling Bee. After the parade, the night capped off with a spectacular fireworks show over Oak Point Park and Nature Preserve. Now let's meet our pets of the week. This one is unique. It's not another dog or cat. We have 10 gerbils available for adoption. You know, gerbils make great pets due to their curious and friendly nature. To see all the pets up for adoption at the shelter, go to share.plano.gov/pets-for-adoption. That does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, head to social media. Check us out there, and you can always go to our website, plano.gov. See you next week.